What's up, sweeties? It's TeeElle, and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe and hit that like button. Come on and join the fun. If you look in my life and see what I've seen. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a Luvme hair wig. I'm going to put on this wig, y'all. This is my first wig video. So all y'all companies, go ahead and hit that email, okay? I don't wear wigs often. I usually keep me a ponytail in, but I'm going to an event next week and I needed me a top-notch wig, okay? That is affordable. So I will order Luvme here. I'm gonna open the box and show y'all what I have here. First, what I need y'all to do in the comment section is say, hey T, okay, let's go. This is a Parting Max Glueless Wig, loose body wave, 7x6 closure, HD lace, pre-plucked, bleached, okay? Zigzag part. I chose the zigzag part, but you can choose a different part if you want to. Now you can pay an extra $5 and get your lace cut for you, which I did. It smells like hair. There's no funky smell or nothing like that. So this is what it looks like. See them bouncy curls, babe? Yes, yes, yes. I'm gonna show y'all how I look with the zigzag part for the first part of the video, but then I'm gonna do me a middle part because that's how I'm gonna wear it to the event. In the box comes your own Luvme hair bag to put your girl in when you're done with her. 2 of these brown wig caps, match, okay? A bonnet that you can tie onto your head. You get a couple name tags for your girl, okay? Tamara, aka TeeElle. Why not? I call it an edge layer, honey, because you can lay the edges, period. A Luvme hair, edge brush, and comb. More information in the box about becoming a Luvme VIP rewards member, okay? So if you want to do that, go ahead and do it. Knock yourself out. So let's just put the wig on and see how it looks. I don't think I'm going to use a cap because this is a glueless wig. Okay, let's show you how it looks up close. It is a glueless wig. It comes with the elastic band, the adjustable elastic band in the back. Okay, nice and stretchy. I had already tightened mine. Get an extra little nice rubbery piece here to help stick. I'm going to really show y'all exactly what I'm going to do as soon as I try it on. I just want to try it on first. Show y'all how it looks. Hold up, wait a minute. This is how it looks before I color the lace some more to match my skin. Okay, you can see these curls are nice and bouncy. This is a 22-inch. See, it's not really matching my skin, but we're gonna fix that, okay? Let's take her back off. I have this ghost bond that I'm not gonna use. I got it just in case I need it for the event next week. I did go ahead on Amazon and I will post these on my Amazon storefront. The link will be in the comments down below as well as the description box. You can go click that link and shop beauty to see these items that I ordered from Amazon to go with this wig. So I got this Even Wonder Lace Bond Lace Melt Mousse. So this creates an illusion as if your hair is really laying down, like you glued it down. But it's not. You can still lift it up, take it off. And that is my type of wig. I don't really want it glued down. I like to take my wig off and scratch my head and all that stuff, okay? And then I ordered this Tinted Lace Foaming Mousse, the dark brown. So this is it. And this is the mousse melt. Here's what it looks like right now. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take my mousse and apply it to my lace. Okay. So flip it inside out. Just like so. I'm gonna take my comb and just kind of put it all around my lace, and it's going to tint this lace. So I'm just making sure I get the mousse on that zigzag lace at the front where they cut it. Okay, here's how my lace is looking. So I'm going to set this aside and let it dry. While that's drying, I'm going to brush back my edges using this edge booster. Edge booster is my most favorite edge control ever. It keeps your hair laid nicely. And when I slick up my ponytails and stuff, I use edge booster as well as edge wax on top of the edge booster. So I'm just gonna go in and really push all my baby hairs back. I'm gonna get my Shanti sideburns together, okay? Let me show you how the lace looks. with the mousse on there. So you can tell it got a lot darker. It's still drying. I'm actually going to go ahead and put on a wig cap because I just think that your braids stay a little more fresh with the cap on. Keep the baby hairs back. It helps out with that. So I am going to put one on. And I think it'll just be more comfortable as opposed to having a wig right on my hair. So just like that. All right. And let's put the wig on. Y'all see how that lace just, ooh, baby. Yes, ma'am. Y'all see how that lace just kind of melted right on there? I'm just gonna comb the hairs back. And just put little dabs on there. Look at the lace right here. Okay, and then just kind of push it down. Listen, and if you lay wigs and you're a hairstylist or something, and you see me doing something I ain't really supposed to be doing, or do something I should do something different, leave it in the comments down below. Don't come for me because I told y'all I wear ponytails, okay? I'm a ponytail wearer, okay? Rock ponytails. So, I'm going to leave it just like this. And I've seen people go back, but it's pushing the lace. I'm gonna get my Luvme hair edge layer. And while that's like that, I'm going to take my hot comb and just kind of lay that hair some more. Just like so. See how it got real flat over here and it's still a little bumpy over there? You can also take your wax stick. I'm using a She Is Bomb hair wax stick. I got this off Amazon, so go ahead and click the link so you can check out my Amazon storefront. All this stuff will be under beauty, okay? So just push it up. I don't want to do too much because like I told y'all, I am doing a middle part for this event. My daughter took my wide tooth comb, so I don't know where it's at. So with these curls, I'm gonna use this brush to kind of do it lightly, just to space them out a little bit. Get that loose body wave happening. Get that loose body wave popping. Okay. Can y'all see that? I feel like these curls right here need a little brushing out, a little combing out. Oh, this is so soft, y'all. It's so pretty. Okay, Luvme hair. Love me a long time because I love you, girl. Okay. So, that's what it's looking like. All right. What's going on? Okay. So now, this part, take the, yes ma'am. Okay, got ways to go fixing this. Cute, y'all. Like scissor. I'm not really the baby hair type of girl, but check out the lace. Look at it, y'all. And look, it's under there. See that? Still lifts. I'm really a straight hair kind of girl, but I figured I'm going to an event. I gotta wear a gown. Let me put a little curl to it. But honestly, I think that I'm going to straighten this. Not in this video, but for the event. I don't know. We'll see. Because it is given. It's like... Now, let's see about this middle part. Because, baby, we got to figure it out. Now, you can part it to the side. You can do anything you want. Go up with it. Whatever you want to do. But let me do this middle part, because that's my thing right there. Middle parts just look better on me. Like with my big forehead, I just like it a lot better. Make sure this is nice and straight. Oh yes, middle part. Come through, middle part. Come through, middle part. Okay, so I think this is good. Yeah, I think that's cool. So let's put some edge wax. And y'all, I'm going to post the link to this wig in the description box down below. So click on the title of the video and it'll bring up the description box for y'all. Y'all better shop Luvme here, okay? Thank y'all so much for tuning in to Lifeasteeelle. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me comments down below if you got some tips and tricks. Leave them in the comments down below. Okay, subscribe and click the bell so you're notified when I post my next video. And I'll catch y'all next time I'm out. The sweetest.
Be honest in yourself, don't you never pretend. Beat the odds, do numbers and remain humble.